Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to download Pinterest photos on your Android phone. If you want to save your favorite images for offline viewing or inspiration, this is super easy. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Pinterest app on your Android phone. Use the search bar to find the photo you want to download or just browse through your feed until you find an image you like. Now, tap on the image to open it in full view. You'll see the photo displayed on your screen with some options at the bottom. Okay, look at the bottom of the image. You'll see three dots. Tap on them to open a menu with several options. Here's the thing. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option that says Download Image or just Download. Tap on that and Pinterest will ask for permission to access your photos if you haven't granted it before. Just tap Allow to give permission. The photo will immediately start downloading and will be saved to your phone's gallery or downloads folder. You'll see a notification at the bottom saying Image Saved or something similar. Now, if you want to download multiple photos, just repeat the same process for each image. Open the photo, tap the three dots, and select Download Image. You can find all your downloaded Pinterest photos in your Gallery app under the Downloads or Pinterest folder. And that's it. Your Pinterest photos are now saved to your Android phone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.